welcome back to the channel. So I just had to record this. You would not believe what I pulled out of my shower. It is so gross, but I'm going to show you. Are you ready? Look at that. That is hair. Oh my gosh. That is gross. That is so much hair. I mean, here's my hand. I mean, that is sick. And look, there's more in there. Oh my goodness. Well, if you want to know if this thing works, it works. We have tons of girls in our house, and this thing is just a miracle saver for when your drain is clogged. Isn't that gross? It's so gross. So, anyways, enjoy your shower cleaning. Okay, so this is all the hair I pulled out of this shower. It is gross. I mean, there's my hand. I clean my bathrooms all the time. So this is just, girls just shed hair. So yeah. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna get back to cleaning my shower and we'll see you later. Bye!